Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm super glad you're here for this important session. So today we are discussing a new profitable technique specifically designed to maximize your gains. Most players fail because of their emotions and all this kind of stuff. So we're going to focus on a disciplined approach. The secret to long-term success isn't just knowing the game, but reducing risk is playing smart. We want to turn this into a steady way to build your balance rather than just a gamble. Stay with me until the end because understanding the why is just as important as the how. Before we jump into the strategy, we have to talk about where you play, and always you need to use the link in the description to ensure you are playing Chicken Road safely. There are so many scams out there right now, and I don't want you to lose your money to a fake site. By using this secure link, you guarantee that every game and every withdrawal is valid. Plus, for those of you looking for a head start, there is a 500 euros bonus for the first 20 arrivals. Make sure you use that specific link right now to lock your spot and play with confidence. So, the 3-level strategy. Let's break down the strategy. We start with a very specific sequence to control the variance. So, I want you to try this. Complete 6 jumps in easy mode using a consistent 5 euros bet. Once you clear those easy jumps, move up and perform 3 more jumps in medium mode. As soon as you finish the 3rd jump in medium, hit the button to collect your money immediately. By not being too greedy, you can effectively collect your winnings and minimize your usage. This method is all about small, frequent wins that add to a significantly daily profit. Remember, the most successful players are the ones who can walk away when they are ahead. Find the secure link at the early bird 500 euros offer in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into winning strategies like this one, and hit the like button if you're ready to start playing smarter today. Check out the other videos on the channel if you want to smarter the beginner tutorials, and good luck on the road. Play safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!